What is going on, guys? Chaz here. What if I told you that the Galaxy S11 wasn't going to be called the Galaxy S11? Well, this has just been confirmed by a Samsung insider on XDA Developers news website who got his hands on a Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Well, that's not all the news that's been confirmed, though, about this exciting upcoming phone. The Galaxy S20 series will consist of the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra, as well as 5G variants of all three variants if you have a 5G data plan or are looking to set up one. Samsung 5G phones are good options. 5G will not yet be built into the main models of the Galaxy S20 series. The leaked pictures also showed the S20 will have 4 cameras at the back and have a hole punch camera in the middle of the screen like the Note 10, so expect great shots of taking photos of S20 phones. The Galaxy S20 will not have the headphone jack like the Note 10, which also ditched this in favour of USB-C audio. The S20 will continue this. You'll need a dongle to plug in your headphone jack headphones.
What if I just need to charge at the same time?
Then you're gonna need another type of dongle.
Like a double dongle?
Yeah, like a double dongle.
As for the processor, for the US variants as well as a few other countries' variants, the Galaxy S20 series will have Snapdragon 865 for the CPU, which has been benchmarked and is very fast. For the European variant, as well as most other countries, you will get the Exynos 990, which is not as fast as the Snapdragon 865. Just like last year, the Snapdragon 855, which was faster than last year's Exynos 9820. Now for screen sizes. Screen protectors for the S11, well, that's what the stickers on them say that they're made for, but they're actually meant for the S20, which is the new guaranteed name for the S11 or the next Samsung phone. Well, they're saying that the S20, the regular variant, will have a 6.2 inch screen, the S20 Plus will have a 6.7 inch screen, and the Ultra will have a 6.9 inch screen. So guys, we're talking quite large screens for all variants, so expect plenty of space when working of split screen, multitasking or watching videos. It will look wonderful on the screen. The Galaxy S20 series will be announced at Galaxy Unpacked on the 11th of February. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyways, have a good day, see you next time and goodbye.